Today I'm going to be making a stand that holds a majority of these sky pattern rockets. The idea I have in mind is a simple grid pattern that holds 81 rockets. That way I can have 9 rows of 9 rockets and it will maintain more of a square shape. I'm thinking about building this entirely out of some thinner plywood, so I'll go ahead and cut those main pieces and we'll go from there. So for these main pieces, I'm just going to cut 3 20-inch squares from this sheet of plywood. I went ahead and marked my grid pattern with those 81 spots. Now I just have to drill all these holes. I'm choosing a 3/8 inch drill bit to start to see how I like that fit. Now that I have all the holes drilled for the top and middle layers, I went ahead and set this up to attach these corner pieces. I'm using the same material. These are going to be 2.5 inches wide and 18.5 inches long. Because I want the layers to be equally spaced, I went ahead and cut 6-inch spacers for the bottom and 11-inch spacers for the top and just nailed those to these corner pieces. I'm really happy with how this stand turned out. The goal was to make this simple enough to where if I didn't like it, then I didn't waste a whole bunch of time building it, but I also wanted it to be strong enough to withstand the multiple uses. I'm also really happy with the 3/8 holes for the rocket sticks because I feel like there's little to no resistance. And it also probably helps that when drilling those holes, I sandwiched that plywood together and used a drill guide to make sure the holes were straight. I feel like that keeps these rockets in good position and make sure they're not bumping into each other. I'm thinking about doing a single test with this because I should be able to see everything I need with this single test. I'm just going to be shooting 9 rockets fused together. I really want to see what kind of effect it has on that plywood surface, see if I like these little firework connectors, and see if that's a good spacing. Overall, I'm really happy with the results of this test. I like the spacing of those rockets because I felt like they had a pretty good grouping in the air. The surface damage from the rockets was minimal, just small little charred spots, so this will definitely be able to be used multiple times. And I was also very pleased with these fuse connectors because all the fuse connections were successful, even though I did have 2 defective rockets. I'm really excited to see what this looks like with the 81 rockets because it should be faster paced. I plan on including this in my fusing video and my 4th of July video, so you can see it again there. And like always, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.